Market Michael here. Okay, guys, well, I'm going to bring you some economic news that came out. Right now, we have just opened a big gap out. Markets can't seem to, um, have can't seem to come down, which is a good sign that we're going to go up even more. So let's just go ahead and look at this economic data first here. Well, okay, let's do this. Bring it over here. Bring it around town. Again, we getting good numbers here. 0.5 increase for industrial production, and the capacity utilization has increased as well. So, the capacity utilization would indicate the future production, because if you're well, not necessarily, but I guess capacity utilization is just being effective in, let's see if the Fed has. Okay, yeah, so we have been going up, and it's been the pace here is the percentage of resources used by corporations to produce goods in manufacturing. How much capacity is being used from the total available capacity to produce demanded finished products. So, but we are having an increase in the inventories. So, with that being said, who's buying? This is all great and dandy. Go ahead, pump up the GDP numbers. Go ahead, pump up, what you think you're going to make, but that's not actually what you're going to sell. So we see here this increase of 0.4% from industrial production. So what happened there? Look at here, guys. We got okay, this is February to March. So we got a point final products, zero point 0.2 increase, consumer goods, 0.3 increase, business equipment, 0.1 decrease, equipment's going down. Non-industrial supplies is going down by 0.9. We have a decrease in construction. Decrease in construction. Major decrease. Not just we got a 3 point something decrease. Now here we go, materials, we are decreasing again. So why we got these good numbers here? Here we go. Manufacturing, 0.1, we got, that's less. Here we go. Mining, we got 1. And utilities is 3. But we have March 17 to March 18. So this is year over year. Year over year gains, we see a big increase in the mining. And that is what made the total number increase. So here we go. After it climbed 1.5% in February, manufacturing production edged up 0.1% in March. Mining output rose 0.1%, mostly as a result of gains in oil and gas extraction and support of activities for mining. So they're just measuring year-to-year gains with this economic data. So we have to look at what's happening now. And what we are seeing is not we're seeing an increase that's happening now. Well, now look at here. February, March. Again, utilities was up big, but mining was only up 0.1. It's down actually from February. Well, there you go. So the average, okay, capacity utilization for the industrial sector moved up 0.3% percentage point in March to 78%, a rate that is 1.8% below its long run. Interesting to note. So I will link you these two uh, web sources in the description below, and we can go ahead and check out markets. So we had some pretty quick movers. We've had a quick pump stock, 200%, 119 to 458, missed it, lost 50 bucks. We got HMNY has been it fell during the day, but looks like it's getting short squeezed now to the top of the range. So I don't know how much more it will go, but be careful with HMNY. And KBSF is a sketchy ass classic pumper that didn't even get to play. Moved too quick. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at the markets. So these markets, again, we're at this support range. Let's go ahead and look at a smaller time frame. Can you say lag? No. Okay, I thought my fucking headphones weren't on. Well, we're spiked off here on the hour chart. I don't know, that's not necessarily the best of signs. So, as this decreases, we're just going to slowly muddle our way up. But I don't think this is going to last here. And I think towards the end of the day, we're going to start to see some weakness show. And possibly some downtrend to come with that. But we'll have to see. If we don't get a downtrend, we'll at least get a pullback to move higher. But I'm expecting a downtrend. All right. Well, I guess that's it for now. Maybe I'll make a video after lunch. So if that's the case, then I will see you guys later. And HMNY just peeked out here. Major short squeeze territory. But yeah, alright guys. So I'm gonna have to let you go. Enjoy trading and watch my predictions come true. Thank you very much and take care.